So we're making a fish salad because I'm going to see my uncle today. I'm going to take a nap. And this is what's called mise en place, which is the advanced preparation. Roger is preparing the smoked mackerel. Why have you taken it off?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
No, I forgot to take the skin off. Stop it.
Yeah, but why would the skin come off? Because
It's skin.
there's nothing wrong with skin.
You don't eat skin.
So what are you actually doing?
Taking out the middle bones
Go
liberally.
down the centre.
Most quick way.
Smoked mackerel is absolutely lovely and flavoursome, but it does have some bones. Thank you, Roger. So this is, eaten as it is, with mayonnaise or horseradish sauce, absolutely yummy. Let's put this salad together. So I've washed my paws. Roger's now being cameraman. Bit of that. I do like cheese, but lots of people wouldn't put cheese with fish. I think Uncle will forgive me. I'm going in with the fish. Some tomatoes for colour. Different cheese. What's this one, Roger?
Blue Shropshire.
It's pretty exciting.
Or
Yep.
Shropshire Blue.
I've got some prawns. So it's about an hour journey to where Uncle is. And I see my auntie as well, but she's in a care home. So I go and see her first, and then it's lunch with Uncle, which is my pleasure.
Enough.
Enough? Did you want to have some?
Enough.
I'm going to keep this chilled because if the sun comes out and this has to stay in the car, nobody wants a salad with fish in it that may have been kept warm for quite a while. So we will be chilling this on the way.
Make it even.
What, the eggs?
Yes.
Roger's slightly more OCD than I am.
That one.
No, I'm determined to leave it there.
No.
It's a good test.
And that one.
It's a
Move
good...
that prawn and move that egg.
Yeah,
that
you
one.
should have done it if you wanted it perfect. Oh, I hope you've got clean washed hands.
Yes. No, that one needs to go over.
Oh, look what you've done. Oh, no. Honestly.
That's better. Ish. I still need adjustment.
So people might be interested to know that I don't fill the dishwasher here. Roger's my husband. Because he unfills it and redoes it because he feels he can do it better or get one more plate in or something.
Or twice
like
as
that.
much.
Or twice as much, right. So if you come round and you see Roger doing the chores, it's not that I haven't tried, it's that there's no point. What happens when I mow the lawn, Roger?
Don't.
Come on, confess.
Just don't.
Confess.
You can't do straight lines.
I don't do straight lines. I write my name in the lawn.
You
But
can't.
Roger feels obliged to go out and remow it. There we are, tragic. So anyway, you get the gist. There's a little salad. I'll do a little drizzle now and then do the rest later. Oop, try not to get it everywhere. But this will be a nice little snack with Nunky after I see Auntie. There we go. Oh, and finally, I forgot to mention, I've made a little soda bread. It's wrapped in cling film. And Roger's filled a pot with butter. He fills them right to the top. And you can even put a garnish in the top of that. So I've got a soda bread and the salad. On my way, Nunky.